Hi, welcome all. On the topic of how to become a quality research article writer, today we are going to discuss types of journal or scientific articles. Before entering the core topics, that is manuscript writing, so before that we have to discuss some theoretical aspect also. So I like to deliver some theory part also. 2 or 3 videos will be theory part. So in this video we are going to discuss types of journals or scientific articles. So generally we have many number of article types. So particularly, so it is original research article, review article, short communication or letter, case studies, book chapters and conference papers. So these are all the major article types now we have. So depends upon the research area and depends upon your education career education. So you can choose your research article, original research article and review article or short communication or letter. So we can see one by one here. So in the original research article, so it is should be conducted in detail, that is original research study. So it can be called a unique investigation and based on original research proposed by purpose authors. So the authors can propose any system, can be called original research article, and it is called primary literature. So there is a difference between primary literature and secondary literature, and in the primary literature, in original research article we can say primary literature because there is a unique proposed unique investigation should be there in the original research article. The original research article based on research question, raw data, experiment or implementation and analysis. So the paper should have research questions and the solution of the research question and raw data. It may be a data set, like any data set you can choose, and the experiment or implementation on the data set, and it should be analyzed in the paper. So it delivers each step of the study, like abstract, methodology, analysis, result and discussion, and finally conclusion. So this is the basic structure of original research article, and the size of the article may be 3000 to 6000 words. It depends upon the chosen journal. So it's not limited to 6000 words. So maybe depends upon the chosen journal. So come to the review article. So there is a huge difference between research article, original research article and the review article. So in the review article, so we have to conduct critical analysis on existing published articles. So particularly specific topic. So we can choose any specific topic and we can extract articles from the existing available existing published articles. So from that you can analyze critically. So the critical analysis is mandatory in the review article. So based on existing articles, existing published articles, so we have to write the content, we have to build the content of the article. So it is called secondary literature. So previously original research article can be called primary literature. So in the review article it is called secondary literature. Okay. So primary literature is fully, that is new innovation. Okay. So invented by papers authors, but in the review article it is a secondary literature. So it is not invented by or innovation by authors. So already we are going to analyze the on existing published articles, so that we can say this is secondary literature. So next one, summarization of the existing articles on specific topics. So it should be a summarized one. So we can compare with the existing articles, and we have to analyze the gaps between the each and every articles. The gaps should be present in the paper. So current, it should be compared with the current state of understanding. Okay. So each and every, for example, if you downloaded, or if you extract some papers from 10 years paper from 2011 to 2010, so you can find each and every paper has some research gaps. So the research gaps should be presented in the review article. So it delivers available information from existing works and the research gaps. Okay, so this is a mandatory. So deliver available information is already the published papers has some informations, and we have to extract the information from the existing published articles, and we have to find the gaps, and the gaps will be presented in the article. So in the size of the paper may be more than 5,000 words, so it is also depends upon the chosen article. So come to the short communication or letter. So previously we discussed original research article, review article and review article. So generally the researchers are preferred original research article and review article. Okay, so but nowadays so the researchers are focused short communication or letter, because it is a original and significant rapid research report. It is also similar to original research article, but it is a significant rapid research. For example, here if the current state of the art should be taken, and we have to implement the technology, and accordingly we have to get the significant improvement on the method. So that will be presented in the short communication. So the problem should be specific or new finding that can be significant impact, so that we can communicate in the short communication. Okay, so here the specific or new finding that can be significant impact. Suppose if we enhance something from the previous paper, so maybe it is not suitable for short communication. So it should be a new finding, or if you invent or if you give some innovation on the any mathematical statistical oriented or some analysis, or if you find any new technology, so that you can communicate as a short communication or letter. So this is based on material which you have used, cutting edge experiments, novelty in procedure or system. So here the procedure is nothing but your implementation or experiment. Okay, so it should be a novelty, and it should be a systematic procedure, and it is applicable on some materials, and it should have abstract body of the content and references. Okay, so here the abstract body of the content and references is enough for this short communication. So it can be less than 3,000 words. So in case studies, it should be reported real scenarios or cases. Particularly this type of research articles published in medical research line. So because there are many case studies are available, so the researchers can do case studies on real time basis, and we can take real scenarios also. So particularly most of the journals are published in case studies in the medical related papers, and it reports the entire flow of the case. For example, if you like to do some experiment, so it is based on the scenario, and you have to report in the paper the entire flow of the case. So we can say this is also primary literature, and it is similar to original article. Okay, so this is original article because of, so we can say the entire flow of the case study. Okay, so here required, the mandatory is real-time practical implementation, so that in the medical field they are using case studies, they are doing case medical scenarios, and they are publishing their case studies in the case study article mode, and it can be 3,000 to 6,000 words. So another article type is book chapter. So it should be covered wide area of the topic, because it should be fit with the specific topic of the edited book. Actually, in the edited book, the specific edited book, okay, so they are called for book chapters, and your book chapter should be covered wide area of the specific topic. For example, we can say image processing, neural network, or artificial intelligence is the edited book. In the edited book, we have to concentrate, we have to cover wide area of the neural network, or wide area of the deep learning, wide area of the artificial intelligence, wide area of the image processing. And it should be written in detail, including introduction, literature review, and methods. Okay, so it should be in detail because this is a book chapter, so you can write elaborately. You can write elaborately, okay, so that it will be the minimum size of the book chapter is 20 pages and more than 10,000 words, and it is purely depends on the scope of the edited book. Okay, the book chapter is actually we can't directly apply the book chapter to any journals or like that. So based on call for book chapter, and particularly the based on edited book, the scope of the edited book, so we can communicate the book chapter to the particular edited book. So the finally, so conference papers, so it should be have both writing and presentation. So we have to write the papers, and subsequently we have to present in front of audiences in the conferences. Okay, so both writing and presentation of the work, research work should be here, and here needs less elaborative than the journal article, so that the size of the conference paper should be less than 3000 words, and it can be 6 pages is enough, depends upon the conference proceedings, maybe it will vary, and it will be published in the conference proceedings, and maybe the conference proceedings is indexed in some other indexed also, like Scopus and SE also. So now the conference proceedings are indexed in SEI also. So based on the conference organizations, so it will be indexed in Scopus or somewhere else, and it is suitable for beginners in research field. So initially those who are beginners in research field, so initially they can focus conference papers, then they will come into the journal articles. So come to the summary. So we discussed types of research or scientific articles, and discussed each types in detail, and we discussed format, structure, and size of the words, and it is subject to chosen journal. So already we discussed it depends upon the chosen journal, so the size may be vary, and the structure also, the formats also may be vary, depends upon the journal. So based on this topics, we are going to discuss each and every topics. So how to write a research article, original research article, how to write a review article. So in this manner we are going to discuss. So in the forthcoming videos, so we are going to focus each and every point of view. Okay, so I hope you will really enjoy this video. So kindly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.